Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best portable karaoke machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Mauno PK08PA karaoke machine. Click here to view on Amazon. The Mauno PK08PA karaoke machine is very stylish, sleek, and an eye-catching machine that is light enough to be portable. It is also one of the most affordable karaoke machines on the market. This machine weighs 6.8 pounds and measures 14.2 by 7.4 by 13.4 inches. So, you will have an easy time taking this machine with you anywhere you want to boogie. It also comes with strong straps for easy carrying. Mauno PK08PA karaoke machine has a lot of features to offer in its entertainment department. It features a 6.5 woofer and 20-watt speak that can blast loud enough for a 150 people part. This karaoke machine comes with a powerful 2200 mAh battery which recharges fast and can offer you between 2 to 6 hours of non-stop karaoke depending on the volume level. This machine also allows you to connect your device via Bluetooth connection. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Electrohome EAKAR300 karaoke machine. The Electrohome EAKAR300 karaoke machine is hard to ignore it if you are looking for stylish and affordable karaoke machine for home use. With the Electrohome EAKAR300 karaoke machine, you can sing your favorite songs and enjoy quality sound. This machine can play CDs, MP3s and CD+G, and if you're looking for a way to make your next party exciting, then the Electrohome EAKAR300 karaoke machine is worth considering. To make it easier for you to read song lyrics, this karaoke machine can be easily connected to a large TV screen. Also, you can also stream audio from other audio devices using the 3.5mm auxiliary jack. Unlike other karaoke machines, this machine features various effects for voice enhancement. At number 3, we have the Akai KS780BT Bluetooth CD and G karaoke system. With the Akai KS780BT Bluetooth CD and G karaoke system, you have to endure no more boring house parties. This karaoke machine comes with the great features need to sing and share your performance with your friends and family. It has a top-loading CD player which allows you to add your own CDs for new music. This system also features a 7-inch color screen which displays the lyric for you. Also, this karaoke machine has a built-in Bluetooth connection, which allows you to connect your Bluetooth-enabled devices. The Akai KS780BT karaoke system also has a USB port to play your digital music easily. The USB port also allows you to record your vocal performance via the USB and share with your friends and family. At number 2, we have the Kruve karaoke machine with 2 microphones for adults and children. The Kruve karaoke machines are the best on the market to bring the house and karaoke parties to the next level. This karaoke machine is designed to let anyone with a novice singing voice sing like a pro. It has great features that will make you the net star of your next house or karaoke party. This amazing karaoke comes with 2 microphones, 1 stage karaoke base with very powerful speakers and adjustable stand with a smartphone holder. It also has 5 different connection modes. You can easily connect music via Bluetooth connection, aux, USB or SD card slot. And finally, at number 1, we have the Karaoke GF842 MP3G, CDG, MP3G, DVD karaoke system. The Karaoke GF842 system from the Karaoke USA is a great unit that makes karaoke parties and nights easy to enjoy. With 17, 8 by 13 by 10 inches dimensions and 10 pounds weight, this machine is portable and easy to store. It has a video screen and disco lights that synchronize with the music rhythm to bring more excitement. This karaoke system is perfect for large gatherings and parties. It has a powerful built-in speaks which provide powerful and high-quality sound. It has come with a small screen that will make singing easier by showing a clear lyric. The construction is strong as it will work well even if you accidentally drop it on the floor. It also has mini disco ball lights that are bright and colorful, which bring excitement to the music. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.